glasses are fogged up. I never even thought about that part. Let me get that cleaned off before. Okay then. Glass can go down. Yes, so it is the 23rd of December 2022 and here in Toronto it's a snowstorm coming. So because of that we are heading home early. God damn, look out that road already. Yeah. So you know, sir, I take time drive for a road thing now. Oops, sorry. Yay! Alright. So I'm getting out there with everybody else to head the hell home. Normally I would be going to my weekend job because today is Friday. But in light of this snowstorm, ain't no fucking weekend job seeing me. Out! Let's see if we can avoid some idiots on the road now. We're gonna go out with P.R.'s house, especially the Indian them. Lord Jesus, them people driving, you have to wonder if them born stupid more than everybody else, or just a deliberate act to make money. Hola.
Hi, are you at work?
No, I'm not. I'm heading home.
Why?
Don't you see a snowstorm?
No, I see snow, but I don't see the storm.
Yeah, you're the better one.
So they closed Danforth?
Eh?
They closed the store?
I don't know. I have not been there since morning. I don't even care to be there today. I'm heading home, darling. They sent me home.
Where?
They sent me home from my regular job early.
Oh. Okay.
Because of this snowstorm, what a street I look stay away. So, me and the way home, you know. No, look there at all, baby. Sorry. I don't love money that bad.
Where are you driving in Toronto right now?
I am on Keele Street, heading towards Highway 27 to take it up the road.
How's the road?
Oh, everything is ice.
For real?
Ice/snow. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Thank God for all-wheel drive.
I don't have that. I don't know about that life. I don't know about all that. I don't know about that life.
Yeah? Do you have on winter tires?
I do.
Well.
I know about that life because it came with a car.
No, sir. That's a good sound out. From morning, I realize my car I truckle different, you know, like it want to shut off every time I stop, you know. So.
Really?
Yeah. Then give me an appointment.
Why?
I have no idea what that is, but then give me an appointment for come on Nissan for some other reason. So when I go there Tuesday, I make them know, say, yo, that I go on, you know. Deal with it there before it have to deal with me.
So you have winter tires on your car?
Eh?
You have winter tires?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
That was a part of
good. Winter tires and all-wheel drive?
Yeah, that was a part of the thing. Forget the insurance, you know. Insurance love when you're a little bit secure, so they can so they not have to pay no money. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, drive safely.
Alright, I'll do my best. Y'all take care and stay safe now.
Okay.
Alright then. Later.
Goodbye.
Marshall.
You're just a hideaway, you're just a feeling. You let my heart escape beyond the feeling. I can't find a way to stop the storm. All these hours I control what's going on. You're just a chance I
Yeah.
keep on dreaming. You're just another day that keeps me breathing.
Well, in spite of all the snow and the ice, I am liking that there's no traffic. Yet at least. Who wants to linger out here, it's all up to them, but I am not. I'm heading home. A little plow then up. My head to a direction. I gotta take care of business. So hold on. That truck there in front of me look like it can't shoot nothing. Because on the tire lanes alone are clean. That's salt, but I guess you know salt nothing right now, just making way to his spot. Maybe doing things.
the moonlight and I'm speeding. I'm headed to the stars, ready to go far. I'm start walking.
The salters are out and about. Yeah. And so is the snow.
Virgin Radio, I'm Shannon. It is scientifically proven that you should actually buy yourself something for Christmas. The holidays, they end up being a stressful time for a lot of people with having to visit so many people, the anxiety of having to buy gifts for other people. So they say if you buy yourself just at least one gift, a self-care gift in some way, it'll help relieve so much of that stress.
Look at them. Human being does have some man. And nowadays human is soft, bad. I don't know what going on with people. Especially them foreign people. Yeah. Yo, buy somebody a gift. Release stress. What? Damn. That sound like a man where him and him girl not agree because of whatever reason. If I give her a present to friend her up, they're gonna feel good in himself now that he give her a present and they're talking a little. Yeah, right. Green light people. Big shovel on him, yo. Some traffic, you know. There is some trucks. I don't like how them trucks always just block off all of the lane them. I'm going over some Mr. Boss. I'm maybe that lane here without the truck.
And is your source for all your favorite content from the hottest artists. This is the weekend. Whatever you
Fucking trucks and you have 3 lanes and you have 3 big trucks block off the lane one time. Why? Why then couldn't they behind each other? If you have pass it off pass, I'm gonna go.
with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.
iHeartRadio. Anytime,
Anywhere. Just connect to your device and use the free iHeartRadio app today.
I love it. She gets out of bed on Christmas morning and goes into the kitchen to make some coffee. Her partner loves to wake up to the smell of coffee. When she reaches in to get the coffee, she finds a small Christmas gift. She slowly takes off the ribbon, and with a tiny tug, the beautiful wrapping paper falls to the floor, revealing a spectacular pair of diamond stud earrings, throwing little flickers bursts of light across her smiling face, and the coffee doesn't get made for a while.
Specs Diamonds, located in Vaughan, Scarborough, and Mississauga.
And this saga.
Trent, why Will Trent?
Meet the detective that gets on everyone's case. Name?
Special Agent Will Trent.
Based on the New York Times best-selling series, Will Trent. Starts Tuesday, January 3rd,
As you can see, I'm overjoyed about it.
only on CTV.
Hun, when you have a second, please print this file for me.
You may not print every day,
Jeep, you
Babe,
look like
Emma needs this
instruction
dog
weed.
printed for school tomorrow.
but when you need a print, you need it now. Get Canon's all-in-one printer. Perfect for hybrid and remote work. Print, scan, and copy from your laptop or smartphone with the Pixma TS3420 printer. Now just $49.99 for Boxing Week. The best price for home office life.
Offer valid December 21st to January 5th, 2023.
Visit canon.ca/levelup for details.
Our
Level up.
Special Best of Special is back. Enjoy our slow-roasted quarter chicken dinner with stuffing, cranberry sauce,
Christmas is in the air.
signature chalet sauce, and 5 Lindor chocolate truffles.
We're definitely going to have a white Christmas. Alright, so over here, so we say.
music.
Rev Whitney.
Hear the hits first on your #1 hit music station, Virgin Radio.
What is idiot again? Let me close the gap, you know, come back over here in front of me. This far. But it looks like it's here this week. I cannot imagine what tomorrow morning this time will be like. Good viewing to watch this video a little more from my blows on. Sean. Alright, I'm feeling a little bit of slippery.
Virgin Radio, I'm Shannon. What kind of tree topper person are you? People either go for the star or the angel, or they go the funny route by putting like a picture of their dog or a baby Yoda on top of the tree. Let me know, which type of person are you? Says a lot about someone.
Says a lot about someone. I always come up with something all the time. I know what I'm doing. Broncos are out. Full size one, this nothing small about it. Go on, man. Like on now got nowhere. Wow. Taking forever to turn and nothing now coming up on the bed. A Bronco that up with us? Yeah. Wow. I'll be on this. Fire the Bronco past me and come start. I know Bronco this. Oh. Hold me closer. Yeah. I won't go down in my place, Rasta. Figure out what cars my car if you know traffic, but look like they plug them, you can change them.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down.
Can better say from 2016 it's a Caribbean not change the plugs that but they change the filters and where they start just till I can't do them to town white. I want to them dealership in this country and just have to put teeth in idea so they can make money on the people. I'll try all this side over there, you know, brother. Yeah, drive so. Cloud man. They make traffic on road. Jobs, hiring today, applied, work tomorrow. What? Apply today, work tomorrow.
It is the day before Christmas Eve, or as Phoebe Buffet likes to say in the show Friends, hey, happy Christmas Eve, Eve. Happy Christmas Eve, Eve to you. It's Virgin Radio.
You sound like you want to tell her. But the man tell the same do. So somehow not snitch into no man, you know. God, please. Doing something unholy. Father God, give thanks and praises. You show them a side out. Yeah, man. Like the supervisor go like him now want to send me home at all and talk about this and that. Management come to him and say, yo, send him the man them by 11:30. I tell management about him just make some adjustments down the back and ready to rock and roll. Right. I don't know, it looks like you love work more than work. Love you, sir. Well, thank God. Left there. I don't know. Some man different. It's like something wrong with them yard to right, they don't want dead. You understand? Everybody want the money, yeah. They want some money too. But it's not about the money all the time, yo. What about your health, your safety, virgin? They say it's a winter storm coming. The chances are when you come out, you're good. Well, I think to clear out all, then can't come out the door. Oh. It look like I employ his car them here. Let's see what Nissan does over there. Nissan do the same thing. Oh, the blood clean. What they might expect, but they know why I saw one now. They put them in one little bungle. So even if them bang up, easy to fix. Because the one there on the inside a shelter. Go on, young boy, in your Subaru road. There's no danger, eh? That's the road. That's no ice.
You bought her something from Spence. Of course. What did you buy her?
Hi, Michael.
Sarah.
She gets out of bed.
Okay.
She goes into the kitchen to make some coffee.
Okay.
And when she reaches in to get the coffee,
Yes.
she discovers a tiny little Christmas gift.
What is it?
She unties the ribbon and the wrapping paper drops to the floor,
Yes.
revealing a spectacular pair
Yes.
of diamond stud earrings from Spence.
Yes.
And the coffee
Yes.
does not get
So I
made
can't
for a
get
while.
some.
That's a completely true story, Michael. What?
It happened last year. My friend Lisa, she told me all about it.
Spence Diamonds, located in Vaughan, Scarborough, and Mississauga. Crave is home to the latest blockbusters with the biggest stars.
There's no one on this planet that can stop me.
Like Black Adam, starring Dwayne Johnson.
Adam.
Now streaming on Crave. Subscribe now at
Just stream on Crave. On Crave.
Wine Rack knows the
I
holidays
can
pair well
download
with
that
family
Crave.
and friends, and that the best memories are made even
Check out the
better
Black
together.
Adam.
We also know the holidays
My
can be
movie watching
stressful
starts
and
today.
expensive, so why
Yeah.
not let Wine Rack make your shopping easier? For a
I'm
limited
not worrying
time,
myself
save
about
up
the
to
damn
$5
thing.
on
Dance
select
what I know, dance
purchases
what.
from top
Hell
Canadian
with that.
brands, like Canada's favorite wine, Jackson Triggs, and global award winner Enniskillen. Wine Rack is your holiday destination, in your neighborhood and at winerack.com.
No purchase necessary. Must be legal drinking age.
You're Puss in Boots. What's your story?
My story. I'm supposed to be a fearless hero, a legend.
You're supposed to be. So are you or not?
Discover a new story from the fairy tales of Shrek. Legend tales of a wishing star. That wish could get me my life's back.
Go, Team Bridget.
Team friendship. I did not agree to this. I am Puss in Boots. Puss in Boots, the last wish. Only in theaters now.
Where are my
Your time
keys?
to continue.
I need to keep learning, to keep growing.
I can't take time off to go back to
So this morning it was rain.
There are literally
And now it is snow.
At Sheridan Continuing and Professional Studies.
I went into cybersecurity.
There are dozens of high-tech manufacturing jobs in our area, so I chose the robotics micro-credential.
Are you ready to continue? Visit SheridanContinue.ca. That's
Here's my turn.
SheridanContinue.ca.
I
I'm
have a
hoping
question.
I'm
Why
place,
do
yeah.
some phone companies wait till the holidays to update?
Hold on, it look like a smarty lunchbox.
What
Oh,
are they
them
waiting
humble
for? Saving money
cat.
for mobility should be the standard, not a seasonal application. That's why we like Public Mobile. Their prices are always as low as they can go.
Anybody see me dying trying?
Things would be free.
Me no care lunch car today, but yet still they take up people lunch bag car home.
Minutes and other festive gifts. Now that's how you do the holidays.
Rasta.
To get your holiday rewards, go to
That's nothing funny.
publicmobile.ca.
At Toyota, our vehicles have always had quality and advanced safety features built right in.
Because sometimes I might
I
forget to
don't know what
check.
you doing over my side. You had to be an Indian.
Quality means everything to us because it means everything to you. Order a new 2023 Corolla L.
Please.
$4,541.
I'm not getting my house now because I don't know why in there.
Visit shoptoyota.ca or your local Ontario Toyota dealer today. It's time to Toyota.
Okay, Steven, you ready to dream?
This is just messed up.
You see your usual dream. Now you see how big it could be with Friday's Lotomax jackpot of an estimated $15 million. When I count to 3, you will awaken and share your Maxified dream. 1, 2, 3. A deep sea exploration sub to swim with my favorite exotic fish. Mesmerizing. This Friday's Lotomax jackpot is an estimated $15 million. Why dream to the min when you can dream to the max?
Let's put this thing properly.
Mode is on, and
So that
Metro
other
has you
people can
covered.
park.
Find custom cuts from our expert butchers.
And
Mix
don't
your
run into
fresh
us.
seafood And baked goods that are better than good. Visit your local Metro today and get ready for the holidays. Metro has you covered. Christmas is just around the corner, so get gifting at Winners, HomeSense, and Marshalls.
Okay.
All Love has throws, candles, and clothes.
So,
And when in doubt of what to get,
if you
grab
blow
the
off
card
right
you'll
here,
be
no,
served.
you drop right top of
With
my
3
windscreen.
stores to choose from and great deals all the way
Oh, yeah.
till Christmas. Why wait for a gift at your door?
Let's transit.
When you know you can get them
Chances are you might go over my head either way.
Find something for everyone on your list at Winners, HomeSense,
Yeah, but this money you
and
have in
Marshalls.
them bag.
Back to the hits.
Them up there sitting now. Alright, the place clean. Thank God. Yeah, Yeah. Wow. Adora, what you mean, man? Alright. So we will end it here. Look out there. Yeah. That's what's happening with this winter storm now. God damn, look at the snow and the breeze are blowing. Alright, let me use the front door today, you know, because it's not pretty out.